Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. And 4 days ago it was 11/11 festival celebrated in China and I think around the world as well, especially on the big shopping online platforms like Alibaba, and then in China we do have a lot of other platforms. So I decided to buy GoPro 10. Maybe you've seen one of my video about my GoPro 10 where I said that I unsuccessfully bought a GoPro 10. So at that time I couldn't buy and enjoy. All right, let's see. I'm gonna put them away. And we have this thing as well. Fold it in, it's gonna take time. So, but yeah, this is just like a rag or towel kind of thing. And then you have, what is this? I don't know what is this. So let's open it and let's find it out. So 10 accessories, GoPro along with 10 accessories. So now let's talk about the price. So the price actually, it varies. So this, I'll just tell you the price of this whole package. So I bought it for around 4,200 RMB. You know, which depends on wherever you are. You can just convert RMB to your own currency and you'll find out the price. But this is what the price is in China. And it was like on a discount. So maybe like in normal days, if you want to buy it like with 10 accessories, like the whole package that I bought, and it could be my like, you know, like 300 to 400s, like higher than the price, like for example 4,500 or something. But yeah, it was 11/11, so a little bit discount like 200 to 300 discount. But yeah, and so this is the price in China. Maybe it's cheaper in your country, I don't know. But yeah, and yeah, so this is what it is. So I'm so excited for this. This is going to be my first camera in my life because I haven't used any camera before. I've been vlogging with my phone. So yeah, I'm gonna be trying it out and yeah, I'm experimenting it, and probably in the coming videos I'll share the video quality and the result in my experience. So like kind of review, I'll give you a review of how I like GoPro Black Hero 9 or whether you know you should buy it or not. So stick around, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends, comment down below, and stick around for more interesting videos. And remember, it could be worse, you could be dead. God bless you, love you. Assalamu alaikum.